Hundreds of members of the Hynñiewtrep National Youth Movement, or HNYM, took to Shillong streets on Thursday against unemployment in the state and demanding job reservation in the private sector. The protest began in front of the office of the PWD Road and Building, with participants carrying red flags and placards. The protest was carried out despite the imposition of Section 144 of the CrPC by the district administration, which prohibits holding public gatherings within the administrative borders. EastMojo's Meghalaya correspondent, Princess Girirashir, spoke to Louis Dotodong, president of HNYM, on their demands from the state government.
Amid the order that has been issued by the district administration, CrPC 144 has been issued. We're here right in the middle of in front of Civil Hospital. I'm being joined by the president of Hynñiewtrep National Youth Movement, Louis Dotodong. Sir, if you can tell us what is the purpose of this protest that you all are having here today?
The purpose is only that we demand from the state government that they should regulate the employment policy in the state. The employment policy that we have demanded since last year, on the 1st of July 2022, we have demand from the state government to regulate the employment policy of the state, and at the same time that the state government should reserve 80% of the job of the employment in the private sectors of the state. We see here in Meghalaya we have so many PSUs here, like a cement factory and all the industrial estate in our state, but there is nothing that benefit our local youths here. We have inquiry all that PSUs in our state, but nothing is benefited to our youth. So that's why we saw that even the central government didn't have that national employment policy. So we saw only in Haryana and Mumbai, Punjab and other states they have allotted 80% or 75% the job reservation in private sectors. So we saw that the people out there, they don't have like this employment crisis in the state.
Okay. Now, do you feel that, the government, we have seen that they've come up with entrepreneurs and a lot of job opportunities, like they try to come up in the private sector. Do you feel that is not enough what the government is doing?
The entrepreneur is meant for that who have money in their pocket. But we saw that so many unemployment youth here is not having their own deposit in their bank account also. So if the government set up that entrepreneur, the entrepreneur doesn't mean that only for that. It doesn't mean for all the youths, right, for everybody. But we saw that only those who are involved or who have connection with the officers, they can get that one.
Okay.
So that's why we are against this. We want the government to implement or to regulate the employment policy. And that policy will give them a suggestion also how to do with this, because we have experience with this.
Also, Louis, why do you feel that what has happened to the youths of Meghalaya with unemployment in the state? What are they doing? What has happened, if you can tell?
We saw so many crises. We saw so many problems with the local youth. We saw that the youths nowadays, their mindset is, they don't have that good mindset in their mindset. Nowadays, the youths, in their mindset, they have only the plan how to get money. Because after they have passing their graduate and all, no, they don't have even a government job or any private job. So they want actually to get something to help their parents. But after 2-3 years, when they have already passed the graduate and all, they don't even have the chance to help their parents. So that's why.
Sorry to interrupt, Moba. That means we do see many in Meghalaya who are who are already past MA or very educated but no jobs.
But no jobs, that's why.
Okay. Do you also feel recently we see one militant outfit has been formed, that Nongkondong militant outfit. Do you feel it is because of unemployment that it has led to youths taking up arms?
Sure. I saw that. Actually, I don't know that NLCN and all, no. I saw only the newspaper in social media that there is another new more outfit was formed. But the problem that we saw something as a leader, I saw that the forming of this new outfit is due to that employment problem. Because the youths, they have all the literate, they have passed their graduate and all, but didn't have any chance to get job. So that's why something in their mind that comes, the bad thinking in their minds, that's why they They used to do
corrupts
this.
their mind.
Yeah.
So we've also seen last year, along with FKJGP, even HNYM also was part of the rally. If you remember last year.
No,
okay. But have you all been demanding this for quite a while, or since when? Because we hear that you're going to meet the Chief Minister on the 4th of September.
4th September, yeah. No. On the 20th of October, we have the rally from here to Secretariat.
Okay.
And after the rally, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya on the 4th of November, he called us to discuss his matters in his chamber, in his office. So we have discussed his matters. But under discussion, he said by himself that this is a very genuine issue. I like it. But we have we have brought this entrepreneurs and all to cover up this unemployment problems in the state. But till date, what I have told before you, that the entrepreneur is meant only for that who knows the officers and all. The layman or the lay person who know nothing, who don't know about any officers in that office, they didn't get anything.
Okay. Are you not worried about, the security has beefed up? There's a lot of security around. You're not worried about what is going to happen because CrPC 144 has already been imposed?
Yes, I have already so many sections and so many IPC and CrPC, the police department have attacked me, imposed on me. So I don't care about this police, because now we have prepared very well from our organization, because on that day we saw at Khasi that the bullshit police is using to beat that person, the lady person. So why didn't the police face with us? We are man to man, no? Why did they beat the lady also? So on that day also, from that day onwards, our members, they are angry with this police.
Okay, so you're talking about the top cement incident?
Yeah, top cement.
Okay, now today with you, all the members of HNYM, do we have many of those who are unemployed, or are they all working, or students, or what is the status of this?
So many students, so many college students are here, and so many unemployed, and
so many of us are unemployed.
Okay, and right now you all plan to march to Motpran?
Yes.
Okay,
Sure.
so thank you so much, Balu.
Okay,
Well, that was the president of HNYM, who are now going to march forward to Motpran. Remember that their main demand here is better job employment opportunities, because they feel that due to lack of employment opportunities, it has led to the youth, their minds to be corrupt and take up many other issues. We have seen a recent incident also where many have claimed that due to unemployment, it has led to youth picking up arms and also getting involved into drug and other issues. This is the visuals that we're bringing to you from Shillong, where a protest was carried out, a sit-in demonstration by the HNYM here in Shillong, demanding for job opportunities. They feel that they have been demanding for quite a while and want the government to act on it immediately.
The protesters then marched towards Meghalaya Secretariat to meet Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. However, the members of the youth body faced resistance from police and security personnel as they lined up to create a barricade, not allowing the protesters to proceed further. Another surprise gathering was seen in front of Mojo Kiang Nangbah Point near Civil Hospital. However, leaders of the organization agreed to cooperate with the police and not march towards the Secretariat or either Keating Road, but to take the route from Lumsurvey, Umsoso, Motpran and culminate at Jiao. They also urged the participants not to create any ruckus or destroy properties, and even appealed to the members of the youth body to remove their face masks.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EastMojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.